fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name.
Can forgiveness mend what we've torn? A chance to rebuild what was.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, and I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Just breathe. What do you feel? Chasing the feelings.
Troops in a crowd, all united. Ain't got you screaming loud and excited. I can't ever be the backstreet boy you want me to. I just can't measure up. No, I'm not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion. Never gonna be what you want. Backstreet boy you want me to. I just don't dress the part. No, I ain't got Nikes and my hair ain't spiky. And we both know that I can't be your backstreet boy. You'll never want me like you want CDs from the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through.